Hello friends, my name is Rohit Rabshette. Today I am going to show you the tutorials regarding the basic information about the Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7th version. So just check it out. In this video we are going to see the accessing the command line on the Linux part. In this, our goal is to log into a Linux system and run the simple command using the shell. And in this part, we are going to see the genome, starting a terminal, how to start the terminal, logging the screen and log outing, powering off or rebooting a system. Before this time, we have to see the hardware structure and all those OS part. In this part, we have the user or applications on the big side. In that part, the shell is present, and after that, kernel and vice versa, the hardware part. The shell is the interactive or non-interactive type. If it's interactive, then it will use the kernel to interact with the shell with the hardware, or if it's a non-interactive part, it's the another thing. So after that, we'll just concentrate on the local basic, and the basic part will concentrate on the local console access terms, the various terminologies used in the Linux part to access the console, local console. The shell, right? The shell. What is the shell? The interpreter that executes the command typed as a string. After that, there is a visual cue. That cue that indicates the shell is waiting for the user to type a command. That's called as a prompt. After that, there is a command. The name of the program to run is known as a command. The name of the command line that adjusts the behavior of the command is known as the option. And the part of the command line that specifies the target the command should operate on is known as the argument. And the physical part, that physical console, that it is hardware display and the keyboard used to interact with the system. On the multiple logical console that can each support a independent login session is a virtual console. After that, the last one is the interface that provides the display for output and a keyboard for input to a shell session is known as a terminal. After that, these are some basic local console access terms used in the Linux session. After that, we are having the bash commands and some shortcuts, keyboard shortcuts. We use this in all the times, that keyboard shortcuts. It is so easy to type a command. For that purpose, control shift left plus left arrow that uses for the jump to the beginning of the previous word on a command line. If we wanted to shift the on the previous word, then separate for the separating the on the command line on the same line. Separate the command on the same line. For that purpose, this comma is used. Control and K, it's used for the clear from the cursor to end of the command line. For re-execute a recent command by matching the command name, as that string is used. This shortcut is used. For shortcut used to complete the command, file names and the options, as this a number is used. And to jump to the beginning of the end of the command line, the control A is used. Control A to just beginning the at the end of command line. For the display purpose of the history, only the history part is used. It will show you all those commands which I have used at the upper side before this time. The last one, escape plus, is used to just the copy last argument of the previous command. So let's move to the Linux operating system. I have the VMware software, which is the virtual one. In this VMware, I had embedded the Linux operating system. So we'll see that one. I have the Windows 7 on my foundation machine. So let's just check out. I'm going. It's a VMware workstation 8 I'm using right now, and in this part the Red Hat Linux. This is the starting part. Yeah, I have the root, and my password is sorry, Red Hat. Yeah. Oh, I just started. This is the genome part, and in this it's a embedded OS that in the VMware. Yeah, for the opening the terminal, where we wanted to write the command, then where to go in the application. Here some favorites are there. We can access the Firefox files, documents, and terminal. We can also go from that side to the terminal, and we are having the accessing the calculators, contacts, documents, files, and we can gedit and do some weather conditions, documentations, help from the Red Hat. Yes, here some release notes are there. So it's for the internet purpose. It's for showing the videos and watching the videos. For that purpose, we just go in the sound and video session. Here are the system tools which are going to use for the Red Hat Linux purpose. And here softwares and all those things are written. Here are some utilities to use the Linux part in this OS. Here also the terminal is used, and one more another part is we can also go in this open terminal. Yeah, we can access from three sides to that terminal. In this time, we will see some simple examples of the simple commands, like if you want to see the date, what is today's date? Yes, just check the date. Here the date is present, and it will show all those things. But if you want to check out the timing only, then just date loss. So percentile -r, it will show you the exact time and the date. If you're going to type the we wanted to see the date. What is the today's date? Yeah, date loss for the percentile and for x. Oh, sorry, it's a wrong command. It's a date. Yeah, it will showing the date. For changing the password of the user or anything else, just type PASWD or what password. it will show the changing password of the user or root. Yeah, I'm changing my password. Yeah, if you're this message pop-ups, it will show you that the password is updated successfully. If we wanted to add the user, suppose I'm adding the user Rohit, yeah, Rohit, then just type as a user add Rohit. Yeah, right. Here the root is the primary user, and here it shows that user is added. It was added before this time. Yeah, so we'll add another user. Just yeah, here the Puja is added. So we'll give the password for her. Password followed by her name, Puja. Changing the password. We're giving her the password. Yeah, here we are in the root side. If you want to shift in the Puja side, and the Puja, so for that purpose we will just shift. For the shifting we will use su hyphen Puja command followed by a name. Yeah, sure. Puja, we are in this part, in this user, so we can, and in this one, if we want to exit or log out from that user, then use exit command directly. So it will show you it is just log out. Okay, after that one, we had used a lot of commands here, start to end, but if you want to see all the history of the commands, then just go for this one, history. It will show you all those commands whichever we had used in the earlier time. Okay, after that, if we are to see the contents, files, directories in the desktop, we are in the desktop side, right? For the purpose, or else if we are wanna firstly just we'll see the present directory where we are present right now. So that purpose, pwd command is used to check out where we are right now. So if we want to shift at the back side, means right now we are in the desktop. If we want to just shift to the root side, one back side, then cd followed by double dot, it will just go in the back side, present check out the directory. Yeah, we are in the right side. And if we have to check out all the contents in the directory, then just go for ll or else ls-l. This all this part and this command and this command will show you all those contents in the directory. For changing the directory, we need the cd. For changing the directory, we need the command cd change directory to the desktop. Here we have changed the directories from root to desktop, and just check out L. Yeah, it shows all the files, which are the files where Here in the desktop side we are sagar.txt, sagar, seed for seed directory. All those directories are present. Else, if we type only cd, then it will go in the root side. Just check out present directory where we are present right now. It's in this root part. If we have to just make the new directory, for that purpose mkdir, if we were using the directory name as a 123, right, 123, right. Here we have the checkout from the ls, we have the directory name as a 123. Yeah, go in that directory cd 123. Yeah, we are in the 123. Right now check it on the pwd one. It will show you we are in the root side in that 123. This if you had to just make a new file, for that purpose just touch command followed by the name of the command, sorry, name of the file dot txt. Yeah, it makes, and after that if it shows only the text file, and if we have to go in the text file, then cat followed by sign and followed by its name. Here we can type hello, this is my first video to Linux, and for the same purpose do the control D. Yeah, it just said if yeah, we had make the that file, but if we have to just check out that file, what is the content in that file and what, then let's go for this one, cat followed by a name. Yeah, here it shows all those contents in this file. So for the ll, after that if we are in the directory, just go for the ll or ls-l. It will show you the root, user, the time, and all those things. After that we have seen all those history commands, date commands, and all those the primary commands used for the operating the Linux. After that, exit is the command to exit from the terminal or from the that root part. Right now we are in the root part, so yeah, exit is the part that's used for this one. Vim followed by Rohit. Yeah, I'm just creating or the file which I had created before this time to name as Rohit. Yeah, we'll see. Here are the contents. We can write anything else in this one. Here the two modes are used. Another one it's insert mode, and if we are wanted to shift in the command prompt used for this one, then we just give the escape. Yeah, right now I have to just insert. So here I'm going just to type anything else. for the saving purpose we will just go in the command side, escape followed by the colon. If we write only the Q, it will just quiet, it will not save. But if we write the WQ, it's write and the quiet. Yeah, here it goes. And we'll see after that. But after that, if you want to just check it out what's the content in the Rohit, then just you can also go for this one, Rohit. Yeah, here it shows all those contents. So here all those things, and we are having the shutdown, restart over here, right? Here in this root part we are having settings, notifications, switch users, log out, log, and power off. If we just power off, it will show the restart, power off, and all those things. From here command line also we can use that part. Just write the shutdown command and just shut down it. Video we have seen all those accessing the command lines, local console access terms, basic commands, and keyboard shortcuts. How the terminal opens or shut down, where is the how can we shut down the system and restart the system. All those things we had covered here. And in the next video I am going to show you the how the manage the files from the command line, such as copy, move, create, delete, or organize files while working from the bash shell route. For more videos you can subscribe to our channel. If you like the video, hit on the like. Till then, have a nice day.